I talked to her on my way home from the fire hall. Yeah, she'll come on. Ready? Ready?
I can't.
Ready? Ready? Okay, hold on. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Ready?
He doesn't like it, Mom.
Well, she's just. Woo!
Oh, it's just the consistency because you've never had them.
Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Was Daisy down there with Chloe or?
Yeah. Okay. Have you had enough? Have you had enough? Okay, let's be done.
And now you can change your diaper.
Yeah.
I don't think she liked that.
Did you not like it? Did you not like it? Okay. Did you stop it?